Hi guys. So we're talking about subtraction with regrouping. Super important skill for life and for third grade. So let's take a look at this first problem. We see up here 65, take away, circle my operation, 39. I'm going to karate chop the problem in half, and I look at my ones first. So I have 5 ones and I need to take away 9. If you put up 5 fingers, you cannot push down 9. You just don't have enough. So we need to go over to our neighbor and say, "Hello, Mr. Tens, can I borrow one?" And the tens place has 6 tens. If you take one away, that becomes 5. And you unbundle that 10, this becomes 15. Now we count from 9, the number that we're taking away, up to 15 to see how many are left. If you have 15, take away 9. So tap your forehead and say 9, and then put a finger up every time we count up to 15. So let's start. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you have 6 fingers up? I hope so. So we have 6 ones left. Now we go over to our tens column, and we see we have 5 tens, and we're taking away 3. So start with the littler number, the number that we're subtracting. Tap your forehead and say 3, and you're going to put up a finger until we count up to 5. 3, 4, 5. Do you have 2 fingers up? I hope so. So 2 tens and 6 ones is 26. 65, take away 39 is 26. So now let's take a look at a little bit more complex questions. These are 3-digit numbers, so we're going to start with number 1 right here. We have 804, take away 225. So the first thing we do is karate chop into our different groups. We have 4 ones, take away 5 ones. Well, if you have 4, you can't take away 5. Oh no, I'm looking in my tens column and I have 0 tens. Can't borrow from the zeros, so I need to go over to the hundreds. I have 8 hundreds. If I borrow one, I have 7. Now I can bring over 10 tens. I'm unbundling 100, and 100 unbundled is 10 tens. And then I can unbundle those 10 tens and take one, make that 9, and this becomes 14. We did this a long time ago in school, but hopefully we still remember because we spent so much time on this. So now we start with our ones. 5, or 14, take away 5. We'll start with the 5. Tap your forehead and say 5. Put up a finger every time you say a number after 5 till we get to 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, that's 9. Then 9, take away 2. Put up 9 fingers, press down 2. Oh, that's 7 tens. And then 7 hundreds, except 7 fingers still up, take away 2 hundreds is 5 hundreds. So my answer is 579. Now we're going to go down the paper, and we're going to do this other one with a 0 in the tens place, number 3. 906, take away 557. So I'm going to karate chop that into three separate places, because there's 3 places in each number. And I look at my ones, and I have 6 ones, and I need to take away 7. Well, we know we can't do that, and we can't borrow from the 10, so we'll go over to the 100. And we borrow 1, so the 9 becomes an 8, the 0 becomes a 10, and now the 6 can borrow from the 10. So we cross off the 10, make it a 9, and the 6 becomes 16. We're going to 16 take away 7 because we always start with our ones. So tap your head and say 7 and count up to 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, that's 9. Then we move to our tens column. 9 tens, take away 5 tens. I'm going to tap my head and say 5, and I'm going to count up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 tens. And then 8, take away 5. Start with 5, count up to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's 3. 349. 906, take away 557. equals 349. Hopefully this is starting to ring true and you remember this from when we were in school, and also we've done review lessons on this before. So your assignment today is you have this problem right here, 523, take away 435, and then I'd also like you to do this problem, 233, take away 166, and I would like you to take a picture of your work and send it to me. I'll see you at 1 o'clock for share time for Zoom. Love you, miss you, do your best. Bye.